Hey everybody, I have some 18 Chronicles baseball blasters, a couple of them. I've not been able to find these again on the local level, but luckily my friend Victor had some, and these I think are he said his last two, and he let me buy these off of him, so I was very happy and appreciative of that because I really love this stuff. Obviously I love the hobby boxes, but I really like the blasters too, so if anybody knows where I can score some more of these, let me know. With these, I mean, it's not like the hobby box where you get tons of hits. You can get hits out of this, but as I've explained before, I really like the base cards. There's, it's a good rookie class, and there's lots of variety with all the different brands in here. So truthfully, I'm just having a lot of fun with the base cards out of it. I guess you'd call them base cards. Kind of like inserts. I don't know. In these blasters, you also get this extra Revolution pack, which comes with 3 parallel cards. Well, let's go ahead and do that one. Open it carefully. And these look really good. There's a Glaber, starting off Glaber Torres rookie. And an Ozzy Albies. It's a good pack. Really good pack. And wow. Okay. That was actually a great Revolution pack. Boom, boom, boom. I'll take it. Next up we have an Albies Prestige Calhoun base card. Machado Select. Mike Trout Prism. And an Albies Studio rookie. Got something thick in here. Let's see what it is. Kershaw Limited. A Conforto. Oh, sweet. A Conforto Crown Royale Heir to the Throne jersey, numbered out of 75. So a nice little hit there. Austin Hayes, Phoenix rookie, an Ohtani Crusade, and Ahmed Rosario Illusions rookie. Another Ohtani, classics this time. Clint Frazier base rookie, Clint Frazier Prism, Phoenix Prism. These are really good looking, clean, sweet looking cards. McMahon. And another rookie, I started to say Ohtani, it's Rhys Hoskins. Alright, last pack of box 1. Has Buster Posey, Rookie and Stars, Walker Buehler Score, Ryan McMahon Select, Giancarlo Stanton Crusade, and a Clint Frazier Illusions. So definitely not a bad box, especially with those 3 good Revolution cards. Not bad. Alright, let's check out the other Revolution pack. Let's see what we got. We have a J.P. Crawford rookie, Acuna rookie, very nice, and Robles rookie. Again, another pretty solid pack. Robles Classics, Austin Hayes base rookie, McMahon Phoenix rookie, Devers Optic Contenders, Stevenson status rookie. Andujar Limited rookie, Bellinger base, Acuna, oh sweet, Phoenix Prism, Austin Hayes Prism rookie, and a Robles Illusions rookie. Austin Hayes Prestige, Gohara rookie base, Bryce Harper Select, Austin Hayes Crusade rookie, and Nick Williams status. And our last pack of this box has an Acuna Rookies and Stars, Mike Trout score, Fetty Optic, Harper Prism, and a Brian Anderson Studio. So box number 1 was definitely the better of the two, but not bad. Not bad at all. Alright guys, thanks for watching this break. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. I appreciate it very much. And I'll be back with my next. I've got some more baseball coming up. I've got actually a lot of Topps Fire, so look for those to be opened very, very soon. Everybody take care. Hope you're having a great week.